Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and for the old ones, thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my brows using a brown eyeliner. So if you want me to show you how to do it, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So first of all, I pluck out the unwanted hair. You can always use your eyebrow razor to do it, but I like tweezing it because this lasts longer. Like my brows will be shaped like this for a very long time. And then I use my face powder, like this banana powder, to rub it on the brows. This is to remove oil from the brows. And then I take my brush to kind of comb the brows to the direction where I want it. Now I'm using the eyeliner. This is the color brown. This brown cocoa or something. I have a video showing you, a video that has a link to where I got this eyeliner from. It's exactly the perfect color for my eyes. So right now I'm just drawing some strokes following the direction where my hairs are growing. Like if my hairs are growing to the left, I draw going to the left, and so on. You just need to follow the direction where your hairs are growing. Like you are just doing some, is it laser blazer or something like that? Micro blading. Blading. If you have ever done that or you have ever seen it, how they do micro blading kind of brows, this is exactly what we are doing using our eyeliner. So at the edge, I'm still following the direction of my brows, how my brows are growing. Guys, you can see how natural they look. So I'll draw everything until I'm satisfied the way it looks. Alright guys, so I always go back and see where I have to fill the brows, and I continue adding the strokes. I know I over added the strokes in at the beginning of the brows, but I'm going to fix that in, just stay tuned, you'll see how I fix that. So I'm using my highlighter just to highlight the outer part of the brows, and then I'm going to use a blending brush to blend that outer part, and then the remaining highlighter on the brush, I'm going to use it to highlight the inner part of the brows, just like I'm doing now. And then I can leave it like this, but I just decided to highlight the upper part, which is not necessary. I realized that it wasn't necessary though, but anyways, we did it. We already did it. So So you guys, this is not the finished look. You can see the inner part of the brows as so dark, so I'm just going to use the concealer brush to brush through on it just to lighten it a little bit. So guys, this is how I pretty make my brows. So if you want me to show you the other video where I did my makeup like this, please leave in the comment section below, and please do not forget to leave down your comments. What do you think about this look? And yeah, if you need hair, you can click the link down below that says to order a wig. And thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.